Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Luke Loses Trades, and today we definitely lost some trades. As you can see, we're down about close to 1% on my EA Trader Stage account. Some more bad news is we've failed the 100k valuation, and by we I mean me, but I consider you guys part of the family, so keep on commenting down below. Really enjoy chatting with you guys. Like the video, subscribe. We're on our way to 100 subscribers, and don't forget, we'll be going through the third payout that I've received with 8 markets, so enjoy. Okay, so today's the 5th of November 2024. It's US elections today, so no trades for me. I trade euro dollar and pound dollar, so definitely not a great day to be trading. As well as yesterday, probably wasn't a great day to be trading, but I did anyway. In my opinion, the setup was pretty decent, so I'll forgive myself for trading yesterday. And it's all in the past. Feel much better now. Yesterday I was feeling really crap, but that's just how it goes. So I thought I'd start the video off with the part you probably came here to watch, which is the payout process and all of that stuff. So let's hop on the dashboard of E8 markets. So here we are. As you can see, my last payout was the 29th of October, and here's the certificate. Doesn't that just look great? Glad I'm in this position to be getting payouts, but the work doesn't end here. We still got so much more to accomplish, especially since it's a small payout once again. But as I said in my previous video, I'm just getting the small payouts, keeping it steady, and eventually we'll start aiming for more profit. So let's get into the process. So what I would do on the 29th when I wanted to request my payout. So just a reminder, on this E8 Pro E8 Trader Stage account, you get paid out every 7 days, so it's pretty great. Getting paid out weekly is a great opportunity. So what you do, you'd request a payout. Okay, well, it's loading. Doesn't really matter, but basically you can request on Rise or Plain. So I'd request on Rise, and you get an email. So let's go check the email. So I submitted my payout at, as you can see, 11:07 p.m. So I wasted no time, because the switch over for the day on E8 markets is at 11 p.m. So that's when you can request your payout from that on the 7th day. Hopefully that made sense to you guys. So I'm sure you've seen this before if you've watched my previous video. Read it, pause the video, and that's the email you get once you've requested your payout. Then the next day in the afternoon, got another email. So this is the email you love to see. Congratulations on your successful payout. What beautiful words. Anyway, so then you just, once you've received that, you just wait a little bit, and then a few moments later, you get an email from Rise. You just received your money, and yeah. So as you can see, I got this email at 5:47 p.m. and the payout was successful at 4:57. So I'd say about an hour wait. Sometimes last time it was like a couple minutes, so it varies, but I mean that's super quick, an hour. So overall, let's say you request your withdrawal in the morning, 9 times out of 10, actually I could say 3 times out of 3, since I've got paid out 3 times, and every time I've gotten an email of my successful payout the same day. So obviously I requested the day before, but it's been like a couple hours, if you know what I'm saying, because I requested at 11 p.m. So my advice would be just request in the morning. You get your email confirmation in the afternoon, get your money into your Rise account the same day. Then you can go to Rise. You'll go to my Rise account. Let me just move this here. Oops. Wait for Rise to come through. Your connection's really bad today. That's wild. Anyway. Cool. Yeah, as you can see, these are my 3 payouts from E8 Funding, E8 Markets now. There's my 3 payouts. So overall, that's $165 I've been paid out within the course of 1 month. So I've made 3 payouts in 1 month, which is crazy. That's the power of getting paid out every 7 days. So as you can see, they might seem like, oh, $50, $50, but overall in the month I've made 1.6% on my account, which is, I'd say, decent, especially for my first month being funded. I know lots of people aim for massive payouts once they're funded, but you know, I'm here to keep this account for as long as possible. I mean, that's the goal, really. I'm honestly trying to have this account for as long as the company is operating, and I honestly feel like it might be forever. So I'm not losing this account, I'm not blowing it, I'm trading it professionally, if you can say that. So many more payouts to come from this video, from this account, even though I'm down close to 1%, which honestly, it's a bit hectic, and I'll explain to you why after we just go to my buy. So let's get back on topic here. These are my 3 invoices, and then as you can see, I withdraw using Binance USDC. So there's my first payout, my 2 withdrawals. So obviously this was just a tester to see it was the right address. Anyway, as you can see, all of them went through to Binance, and as you can see, I've been wasting no time trying to get this money straight into the bank account. So yeah, it's great. Anyway, here's my Binance account, and let's just see the past 90 days. These are all my payouts straight into my Binance account, and normally it takes about 15 minutes, I'd say, for the money to move from my Rise account to my Binance account, and from my Binance account into my bank account. It's just the next day, so it's absolutely great. Yeah, so what I do is deposit the crypto into my Binance account, convert the crypto into my currency, which is the Rand, also known as the ZAR, and then withdraw that into my bank account. Pretty simple process, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the payout process. Let me know if you want to see anything else, something I've missed. But yeah, that's basically that. And as you can see, that's my raid day. Not the most fun thing to see, but it is what it is. Okay, anyway, let's get into what happened on my account. So as you can see, max loss recorded is $191, and as you can see, max loss for the daily pause is 203. So I was really close yesterday. So this is why I love E8 markets. They just have like the smallest little perks, you could say, that are really interesting. Like this shows your account equity in the form of candlesticks. So they're super easy to understand because obviously we're trading out here. So if you look at this candle, you might be wondering, what was I doing? I also wondered the same thing, but basically I was floating a loss of $191. I was so close to getting my account paused with the daily max loss. I was basically $12 away from hitting that pause, which would be really painful for me, honestly. But I mean, that's why the daily pause is there, to help me cut my losses and not blow the whole account in one day. So thankful for that. This is why I definitely recommend the E8 Pro account. So if you're looking to get one, the link's in my description. Yeah, so anyway, this is what I wanted to show you. Yeah, so if you look at all my trading history, so this is the first trade I placed standard just to get the account started. I had one losing day of $13, which is very small. It was manageable. I was okay with it, you know. This is my second losing day of having this account, right? And it's quite a big loss compared to my winners. So it was definitely emotional and a little bit brain wrecking, if I could say that. So no trading today. I mean, that's the main reason why I made this video as well, just so I can just talk through my loss, and more for me just to move on from it, you know. And as you can see, my next payout in 2 days probably won't be requesting a payout in 2 days time because we're down, but we'll be up soon. So this is my account balance so far. It's not that bad. I just think of it as 3 small losses. So instead of thinking like, oh shit, I've lost close to 1% in a day. So my initial risk plan is just to risk 0.3% per trade and trade once a day. So the way I look at it, as hypothetically, I could have just made 2 losses last week of 0.3% and 1 loss yesterday of 0.3%. That equates to basically how much I lost yesterday. So in my mind, it makes sense. Like, how do I come back from this? It's easy. I've made 3 losses in a row. I should be able to come back from that, because if I can't, then I can't even call myself a trader, because, you know, working out of drawdown is also part of the work. So that's that. Now, what I really wanted to go over is, why did I end up taking 2 losses of this amount when I should be risking, for one, 0.3% a trade, and secondly, why am I taking 2 trades in a day? So if we go to trading view, I was looking for sells, right? And as you can see, this is my first trade. Maybe we can hop down on the 5-minute here. So basically, this new week opening gap opened up on Monday, and I was like, price could definitely trade lower into that and fill that gap. So I entered first on the 5-minute. It looked like a pretty decent trade. I was expecting price to break this low, and then I was going to secure some profits, but as you can see, I did not. Price broke structure. I should have probably closed. You know what? I shouldn't have done anything, because I'm not into managing trades. I just like to let it hit stop loss or take profit. Although I don't do that, you know, I'm trying. We're not all perfect. Anyway, took a small loss there of 0.36%, a little bit more than I wanted to. So already I'm a bit off, but I was really confident in how price wanted to move lower. Anyway, I entered again. Looks like I entered around here, which was, so I thought that since price took out these 2 highs, maybe price would reverse and move lower again. But as you can see, structure was clearly bullish. That's what happens when you trade emotionally. Anyway, entered basically 1 lot on a sell, and as price started moving higher, I did what every degenerate trader does. I removed my stop loss, and I'm like, please just go down. You know, I was staring at my screen like this, waiting, watching every single candle. But you know what? Price moved higher, and right here I was down overall for the day $191, which is crazy considering I should be risking 0.3%. So yeah, things are tough, eh? I was about to hit my daily pause. Thank goodness price reversed, moved lower again. So now I was stuck in this consolidation as well, but I needed to go somewhere. So I normally trade on my laptop. I don't even have the charts on my phone, nothing. I keep it professional. Once I'm here, I'm trading. Once I'm out, I'm out. I forget about it. But because I was emotional, I was watching, and obviously logged into my trading account on my phone, and I was staring at those charts. So once I got where I needed to be, I was just staring at each price movement, and eventually, uh, I had to go to the gym, and I was running out of patience. So let me go down to the 1 minute and show you guys what a crazy, crazy emotional wreck I was. So roundabout, yeah. So as you can see, this is my entry point, right? I closed the trade right here. When price showed a sign of support over here, I was like, no, price is going up. I'm tired of sitting in this drawdown. I'd rather just take the loss and move on, because at least I can deal with that and not end up losing 2% of my account, if price moves up again. And as I close on this candle, 1, 2, 3 minutes later, 3 minutes, guys, 3 minutes, I was part of the, those emotional wrecks that were trading yesterday. And look at how price just moved down from there. Look at that. I would have definitely taken a partial, if not closed full, right here as price hit this 1 hour fair value gap. At least, yeah, or if not there, once price broke this low. But I couldn't, because I was out of that trade. So that was really painful. Like, imagine watching this just go down. I definitely would have taken profits at the end of the day, at least. I would have been up a considerable amount compared to what I've been making. So yeah, really sucks, but it is what it is. You can't win every trade, even when your analysis, or not even analysis, but your daily bias is correct. You can't win them all. That's the reality of trading, and you just have to take it on the chin. So I'm all good now. Yesterday I was really, really feeling bad for myself, but that's trading. Some days are just hectic, they're rough, and you just have to stay strong and move on. It wasn't the best day to be trading as well. As you can see, price action was not the best. Over here I was stuck in a bit of a consolidation, but the reason why I think I was so emotional was because, as you saw in the title, I failed my 100k evaluation. And you might be wondering, oh, how did you manage to do that? So if you look here, let me just put this here again. Cool. I did fail this evaluation. I lost more than 4% in a day, and as you can see on my account equity thing here, the trade was valid. I would have been back to break even on the evaluation, but obviously I lost 4% in the meantime, so that's the account failed, and I'm okay with that. Honestly, it's really tough trading an evaluation and your trader stage account at once, because the way I approached this evaluation was a bit retarded, because I'm so used to I don't know. I'm just not good at trading these evaluations. Like once I reached the trader stage account, I had no pressure on me, no profit target to reach, and that was my plan initially, just to not do an evaluation anytime soon, But the opportunity came about, and if you want to know how I did get this evaluation, watch my previous video. I got this evaluation for free, so at least I didn't lose any money on this. But yeah, I traded like a retard, and that led to me trading emotionally on my trader stage account. So that's a big lesson to learn. There's so many lessons I can take away from yesterday's trading, and one of the main things I've realized is you have to make sure you're on top of things. You can't be cruising, you have to be on top of things. So obviously yesterday I was just I was just trading like a degenerate on this evaluation, trying to get back to break even, I guess. I think I was like, yeah, somewhere around, yeah. But anyway, it is what it is, guys. But hopefully you found this video helpful. I'm just trying to think, are there any other things I wanted to speak about? Yeah, so I did create this channel mostly for me to just review my trades and stuff, so I don't have to, I'm a big fan of journaling trades. Like, I made this journal myself on Excel, so it's got some pretty dope stats, average risk, average gain, total gain in dollar and percentage, number of trades, and all of the information from here. As you can see, all the information I have, some screenshots of my trades, journaling it, and all the data you could think of. And then that's converted into some charts for me to visualize nicely. I thought it was pretty dope. I put a lot of time and effort into it. It's still not 100%, but it's a work in progress. Hopefully you guys like this sort of journal. I'd be happy to share it if anyone wants it, after I make some changes, obviously. So lots of valid information just to learn about the data, because data is so important when you're trading. I mean, look at that. Isn't that just valuable information? Tuesday is my most profitable day by far. So trading on the other days is such as like a Monday, you should already know that you should be risking much less. And obviously this data is not like 100% because the sample size is not that big yet, but as I continue to trade, the more data will come through and be more accurate. And obviously this chart's not working at the moment. I'm going to fix that, but I think it's pretty dope. So yeah, I made this YouTube channel just to recap my trades, so I have a better understanding of my mistakes. That's what the losses are there for. It's for you to learn something so you don't make those same mistakes again. And yeah, and if you look in my description, I'm supposed to be using this channel to live stream my trading and all of that. Hopefully I'll get back to that soon. Just let me know in the comments if you'd enjoy joining a live stream of me trading. I thought it would be really cool and help me just to stay disciplined, unlike yesterday taking those 2 losses. Should have just been 1, to be fair, if not any. But yeah, it's so conflicting. You can, you think like, I shouldn't have traded yesterday, but at the same time, I shouldn't have closed the trade I did take, because it would have ended up in a decent profit, I would have made back my initial loss and would have been in profit. So very conflicting. Definitely gonna write some stuff down and just yeah, get to understand what I did wrong yesterday. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure it's really long. I don't know how long I've been going for. 24 minutes. So watch this video on 2x speed and hopefully it's not that bad. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought about this video. Thanks.